So they won't allow me initially. What is whistling? What is it nonsense? Like that, they used to shout at me like anything. But my Chittappa, my father's brother, he is a Padma Shri awardee. He is Professor K. Chandrasekharan. He is an international mathematician. At the same time, in those days, he was the student of the Presidency College of Chennai. So, in my native place is Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh, Bapatla. So, Bapatla to Chennai is a 5 hours journey. Every weekend, we used to collect all the great masters' grand records in those days. When record is released, people should be in the queue. That is the days. D.K. Patwalma, and Chaudhary Violin, Lord Vivekanand had violin records, and Radharan Pillai, Nadaswaram. All the records he used to collect and used to bring to my home and he used to play and he used to sing always. So that my elder brother, Mr. Parthasarthi, he used to sing. He copied Chandrasekharan and he went to Monday to Friday he is not coming. So this fellow is used to sing the same ragas. He used to play harmonica and he is a shy fellow. He won't, suppose he want to sing the songs and he won't sing. He is enjoying his own in four walls. So the doors are closed. I used to stand there, body is doing like this, and I used to sing. So I don't any this thing, anybody wants, I used to sing. The courage is there, the God's gift. So like that, in small town, my father is an advocate. Advocate son is doing whistling very smoothly and very clearly. Notes are he is whistling. All the notes he is whistling. So they used to call me to the houses. Any relatives or friends are coming from their house. They used to call me because I don't really just like 10 years, 11 years. So I used to go and listen to all the songs of what I know and radio in those days, radio, Bhaktiranjani Karikram is coming at about morning 6 o'clock. So all the legends, like Banu Krishna Sahar, Ellasama, all the songs we used to play in the radio station. One day I feel that all this one. We can tell in English what is the meaning. Yemi Setra Lega, Yemi Setra. Meaning is Abhishekam Chetamate. That that water, the entire water is like fishes are there. They are already that swallow. In that water, I can Abhisheka? No, I don't want it. Like that, it is a tapa, savatapa. When I am taking the water from the sea or lake, the fishes are hitting me. We are already eaten. That water you are taking. So what can I do? I want to go fishing. Fishes are like that, saying, and others are anything you are spoiling that is. How I want to assure you how that is the papa in those days. In villages, Jangama Devara. Jangama Devara means they don't know anything. They will reciting like this and they will go for Vikshapana in the villages. Those who are giving the rice or something, they will take. Otherwise, they won't take. That was the lyrics from the Jangama Devara's lyrics. My Guruji Bala Krishna sang that radio used to always in Monday is coming, young central guys the reference. Like that, Like this, all the devotional songs used to come, and I used to hear very carefully, and I used to reproduce the same songs. So one day, Hanuman temple is very near to my house. One Harikatha artist program has fixed, very big Harikatha artist, Mulukutla Sadasiva Sastri. He's a very famous one. So he is coming, that temple was like, full of devotees. That is, like the Chayas Ramayanam or Shivakarya, Parvati Kalyan used to narrate just like Harikatha. So that Harikatha was arranged that in those days all the artists came by train. The train was late by 2 hours. The organization was informed, and the organizers, one of the organizers raising a point. So why don't you, how we can the crowd will control? No program is there, full of crowd is there. How can we control? One of the organizers telling them, you call the advocates, son. He will entertain. At that time, my age was 12 years. So first time I performed in the microphone, like very big sound is coming. I'm excited. So like that, I told all the bhajans and tattvas and what I heard, Ashtapadis, Sushilama and the Ashtapadi, Chandana Chayachita. So these are all the songs, popular songs, Bhagavati songs. All the songs I used to hear and I reproduce without anything. That I don't know that what is the song. The Bhattajan Karkam is one slot is there. All the devotional songs they will broadcast. So like that I have given people like you, they are listening and listening also. Who each and every song once more, like that they used to encourage. By the time this Harikatha artist came and he stand there and he is watching. What is this boy? No instrument, no vocal, nothing. How he is listening like this songs? I used to read up the songs in the vocal. How he can like that? He is very surprised. And after the concert, 45 minutes on Bhagavan, he gave and he garlanded me the Hanuman's Vadamala on the day. So that was the blessings. And he is telling, see the Bhagavan's Parameshwara's divine this thing. This temple was Hanuman because Vayuputra, Hanuman is Vayuputra. He is doing Vayudhana. What a miracle! This boy will definitely will take, definitely name and defend like that he will see. After that, about the 22 years, I changed my address for education. I settled in Hyderabad. And I am doing my this thing. My mentor was Mr. Konam Prabhakar. He is a former governor, speaker, finance minister, like that. He's a politician as well as he is an artist. He used to doing the Bharta Ramadasa solo action play. He used to do it and he is handling all the Ramadasa Kirtanas. So he focused on me and he took me to all the musicians, great masters musicians in those days. What is this boy is any future is there. He is doing like this, hours together. Any future is there, all the musicians were rejected. All the top musicians. I don't want to read names because they are all no more. So they didn't like it. What is listening? Who is arranging the program? Who is listening? Like that, all the words they used to negative words that this mentor has not satisfied with their words. So 1 month in Hyderabad, Guruji, that Balakrishna program is arranged by an organization. And they requested this government to be illustrated to Balakrishna. So my mentor put up a condition. Sir, what's up? My boy is there. He should sing one song before Balakrishna. I want to know his advice. Probably he is the only man last I want to know. So immediately they said, the politician is asking me when this thing, definitely, sir. So I said, in that occasion, I have a wonderful opportunity. I said, Guru is very famous song and Sadasana Brahmendra Kirtan. This particular was from Chandravakara, in Hindustan Ayurveda. I said the full song, Guruji is very keenly observing this thing, how he is putting the sound and this thing. He immediately stand up and blessed me. He has got mother and father, but then no birth, no death. That gift he has got. That was used to call Shruti Laya. In Ragam and Swaram, we can learn many years, but Shruti and Laya become like that. So he's got very good mistake. Very simply I will call him and teach him not listen. All the techniques of the Carnatic music in this system is there. We are like Varna, Ragalatma Kirtana, and Kirtana, Swaram, and last Pratila. Like that, he invited me. I stayed in church for 2 years in Chennai, and he used to teach me all the technical points, how you should take breath, and hypnotic is notice, how you can sustain landings, all the important pieces of the ragas and the technical points he taught me. Thank you, Guruji. So that was the answer today. Thank you.
స్వామి మీ ద్వారా ముందర Beautiful.
We'll all get a picture maybe.
All of you can come this way. One minute.
చాలా బాగా చేశారు. మాకెందుకు భాగ్యం ఇవాళ చాలా బాగుంటుంది, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అందరూ చాలా చక్కగా కూర్చొని
భాగ్యం అంటే భాగ్యాల లక్ష్మి పాడాలనిపిస్తుంది.
పాడాలి కన్నడ మేము. లక్ష్మీ భారం కన్నడానే. ఇలా వస్తూ ఉండండి. ఓం నమో నమో భవతి ధార్యమానో నార్కేతర్షసా మేత్యగ్రే భాగం దేవేభ్యో విదదాత్యాన్న చంద్రమా స్థిరతి దీర్ఘమాయుః ధాన్యం ధనం వశం బహుపుత్రలాభం శత సంవత్సరం దీర్ఘమాయుః శ్రీ భూనీలాలన్మేరుంగా సమేత శ్రీనివాస స్వామినః త్రిమూర్తి దేవత పరిపూర్ణ అనుగ్రహ కృపా కటాక్షతామల సిద్ధిరస్తు సన్మంగళాని భవంతు తథాస్తు. మంచిది.
So name? Oh.
కృష్ణ సౌర్య సరిగ్గా